Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So during this quarantine, I've been doing one and one thing only. TikTok. It's addicting. It's been so funny recently and you know, takes your mind off things. But there is one thing that has been going around TikTok like crazy, and it is this frothy coffee Greek frappuccino thing. I don't even know what it is, but basically you put all these ingredients together, it turns into like a peanut buttery consistency, and then you put it with milk and it's this amazing coffee or whatever. So we are going to try that recipe today. But before we get to all that, I'm gonna need you to hit that subscribe button. Red button says subscribe, click it. And also, if you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. Both of those things would really help me out and I would really appreciate it. So without further ado, let's make this TikTok coffee. Okay, so I went out and bought instant coffee, and this was like almost sold out, and I don't know if it was because of people freaking out and buying coffee to like stock up, or because it's going like TikTok viral and everyone wants to make this coffee. But either way, you do 1 part coffee, 1 part sugar, and 1 part hot water. So I'm doing that now, and then you like beat it until it is that weird like consistency. So my water is like almost boiling. I have this like hand mixer beater thing so we don't have to do it by hand. And sugar, coffee, let's do this. All right, so let's do 2 tablespoons of instant coffee. 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of hot water. All right, and let's get this weird mixer thing fired up. She's not really working. Oh God. Hello. Oh my God, are we gonna have to whip it by hand? I don't understand how it turns into such a light color. I solicited my mother's help and we decided that the hand mixer beater thing works the best, and that's how we got that weird peanut buttery consistency. Okay, so next we get ice in our cup and fill it with the milk of your choice. I'm a 2% girl, don't come for me, I'm sorry. My bones are strong. The milk with ice is freaking me out a little bit, I'm not gonna lie. Let's spoon our mixture. Ooh, weird, it's like fluffy. Like, is this really worth all this time and energy for this weird fluffy coffee? All right, so that is our final product before we mix it all together. All right, and there she is, all mixed up. Like, the amount of dishes alone that this took to create is already like not worth it to me, but let's see just how good it is. Here we go, taste test, ladies and gents. It tastes like nasty instant coffee. Like the consistency is nice. It actually is really like fluffy and creamy, but it just tastes like bad instant coffee. So I timed that whole experience and that took 14 minutes to make. And I timed my normal iced coffee experience this morning and it took 1 minute and 40 seconds and a lot less dishes. So I probably will never be making this again, but it was a fun experience. The texture is really interesting. Like you can like hear how like frothy it is. It tastes like bad instant coffee, and maybe like if you had a good instant coffee that you liked, it would be worth it, but this is just like, it's a lot of dishes in my opinion. All right, that is all I have for you guys. Thank you for coming on this TikTok coffee experience with me. It was an adventure, and I'm gonna finish it because I put 15 minutes of my life into it, but it is not great. So that is all I have for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and stay on fleek, friends. Bye.